fuck with plastic dip and just paint all of the bottom part of mine all black tone.
Nope. What? Nope. Alright, so we went to Home Depot, worst place in the world. Alright, with Geo. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's only going to be iPhone recordings for the illest time.
I got a lot of gunners for no reason.
Rain gunners. Alright, this thing's going to look low today. Home Depot run. And I only got 2%, so this is all we're going to get until we get home.
We're gonna be straight nation until we get there.
Yeah, scrape Absol Nation. And then we got to deal with traffic, so.
Nice.
Yeah! You people need to stay home.
So far, until we get to the instant. Out here installing the side skirts.
Fuck yeah.
Oh. Yeah, boy. Looking like that Massachusetts chip. Oh. Most likely we're gonna go with the side skirts today. Get my fitment better. Paint match these to match the trim.
Tasted like a cheese.
Fuck yeah.
Tasted like a cheese.
Dude. So far I still gotta do the body work, but fuck that, we're just gonna send the skirts in today.
I don't need no body work. It's a New England vehicle. Who needs body work?
Fuck yeah. It's a lot better than most other ones. Fuck. I can sleep in my fender gap so far. Gotta tuck this bitch.
Your girlfriend gets mad at you. Do you sleep on the couch or that wheel gap?
Oh, I definitely sleep in that. I can definitely fit my whole body in this. As we can see how lifted my car is. Dun 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 dun.
That's how it's gonna be. So it kind of sits a little funky here because of the body line.
Yeah.
But other than that, the original body line's not too bad. It's just like I said, I have a rot spot here, you have a rot spot here. There's nothing we can do in New England.
Hashtag New England EF problems.
New England fucking rusty canjos. That makes you look a lot lower, a lot nicer. Because of the body line too. So now that being said, drop it, put my ass on the ground, and you gotta hold it and I gotta tape it off.
Fuck yeah.
So we can get a straight line on this side. And we're gonna basically mirror this whole thing if I could find the edge of the tape.
That's great.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say I could not find the end of it.
Trying to see so you guys can get this.
So we don't want too much pressure on that fucking mud guard, but just enough, you know what I mean? I'm gonna hold it there.
Yeah.
Just want to get. Oh yeah, of course. Nice, nice. Oh, you got it over there, nice and set. That's where we're cutting that. This one. I think we should come over some more. All right. You can drop that there because I'm holding it.
Okay.
And you can come look if you want.
Oh.
I think I can move over. It was like that when you were holding it.
Okay.
Not bad, right? That's how we kind of get our straight line there.
Yeah, I'm with.
Back over there lined up okay?
Okay. So far.
Over there, yeah.
Yeah. It's not flush, but it's still good.
Yeah, you want just a hair off.
Fuck yeah.
I think I'll come over a little bit more. Most unreliable Toyota's here. Geo, say hi to him.
Fuck yeah.
What are we doing, Geo?
We're painting the side skirts today. Gotta get them installed finally. After like years of not having side skirts. But now we're gonna over to Richard, Cleveland. Check out this Toyota FX.
Hello, Cleveland Brown. Oh, look at the Ninja Turtle shirt and everything. Look at that, dog. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the drip, boy. Moon Eye AF.
Dude. Oh yeah, you like
Oh,
that?
them shoes. Look at that. Now you just need the Harlequin fucking bug.
Would you just look at it?
Yeah, I hit a bump so hard.
Listen, that's great. It's JDM. I like it. But
Wasabi.
it's better. You say fuck the man, and you just legit print one yourself. How's the unreliable Toyota chilling today?
Bumps suck.
Why?
Their suspension.
Static life, right?
Yep.
That's how it be, boy. That's how it be.
All about it. If I had the 55s on there, it'd be more meat. How you doing, dude?
I'm still fister.
Yeah, it's weird because I think that that spring has something that's like keeping it from.
How do you
all the way down.
fucking...
I had the whole Toyota doesn't sell no more. It discontinued.
I don't know. There's something else in there.
Yeah.
They're pretty much all the same, buddy.
About to do that. Get some Camry ones. They have those
I think a
squirters.
universal one.
No, you can just get Camry ones. They have 3 squirters on each side.
That's sick.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, dude.
All right, pop this hood. I want to see this ground. We're getting this on video officially.
Oh, you want to see the ground?
I just want to shit on you for this ground so we can go and
Look,
do it
I'm-
right.
I'm gonna clarify.
Listen,
I was
if it gets you by, it's one thing. I'm all for it. Listen, all for it.
I'm gonna tell you this.
But there's the right way to do it.
Wait, no, you're not understanding this.
Or is
I
it
would-
just
I
look
would-
smaller
sorry.
in camera than it is in person?
Oh, bye, here you go. It's a JDM Amore. It's a little ball in it.
Well, thank you, Richard.
Yeah, I got it from the JDM CT guys. They get, well, that's because they gave me
Some actual true JDM stuff.
Damn.
Only Richard's this nice.
They sell this at my Mavis.
All right, buddy.
Yes.
5 and extra ground, you're getting the ground. But
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's a ground. It's 2 copper. It's literally a copper 12-volt wire.
no, that ain't no 12-volt wire, buddy. This is a thick wire. See that?
Copper.
It's a solid wire. Listen, it gets you by, but we're definitely gonna have to do one. We're gonna have to get you an
A
actual
legit brown wire, the
brown
thicker,
wire.
thick.
Because
Oh, I was gonna show you this too.
It's thin as hell.
that's not bad, but it is a warm wire already.
It's not even doing anything.
That's
Look
all
at that JDM power, boy.
And access. Give me-
So we got Geo here leading the mission on the power steering box. Where is it? Right there. All right, you can see the light. Oh, you can see Geo.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Geo.
Nothing much, just getting this done.
If you want to do a fucking ladder match, dude.
Ladder match.
You ever watch wrestling, bro?
Oh no. Oh, I was hoping he wasn't saying that.
Gio,
What's up?
you know what ladder match is?
Fuck yeah, dude. The cage matches, ladder matches, the money matches.
Cage matches are man.
Oh hell yeah.
Those were hilarious. They just beat the shit out of each other in the cage. Then they crawl out of it and crawl on top of it.
And that's where Spider-Man became famous. Nice. Yes. Oh yeah. No, we're good. Alright. So this bolt, let's not lose it.
Getting bulbs and lots of tings. Oh, yeah. Never forget, kids. Anti sees everything.
It's true.
You don't want to have. You want to have.
Fuck yeah.
Still going at it. Say hi, Bobcha.
Wow.
Put a layer on that bitch.
Put air on?
Layer of clear coat.
Yeah.
So that's NEC's.
I don't know. Just grab the helmet, Aaron. Grab the helmet, put your phone in the helmet.
Nope.
Yeah, Aaron,
Ow.
I respect the commitment. I'm gonna do it with the helmet because I kind of value my eyes. It's funny, I don't want to be blind and...
If you look through the phone, you're fine.
No, you're not. Look,
Are you high, Richard?
no, I fucking love you before movie.
So you're saying the intense light can go through your phone and hurt your eyes?
Yes, it can. Absolutely.
Alright.
Breaker bar. Be a man.
Who needs a 40 when you have a breaker bar? Be a man.
Don't use that. Be a
What the
man.
fuck? Be a fucking man!
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Kid! Be a man!
Lube,
There you go.
Deep brake bolts. Where's that WD-40?
Don't use that. Be a man.
Be a fucking man!
Get out of here.
Get out of here, kid! Be a man!
The lube.
There you go.
Deep brake bolts.
Damn, dude. I'll give you $2 if you fist that pipe. Hell yeah. 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink.
Boy, not too bad. Not too bad, kid.
For Harbor Freight, no, it's really not bad.
Go old Harbor Freighty boy over there.
And I found out if you turn up the
Pour some
voltage,
water on
it
it, see the
does
leak.
melt everything quicker
Leak
and
out,
nicer instead of the lower voltage. I just run my hand
I'll
across
give you
it.
$10 if you lick it. Lick it, I'll give you $10.
I'll give you fucking $20
I'll
to
give
lick
you
it.
$10 you lick it right now through PayPal.
Hey, he's raising you $20. You gotta clap back.
Yeah,
on.
$20 to do it.
Yo, I'll give you, oh, no, you're trying to give me even more. No.
Baited. Not the most steady hand, but it is getting there.
In a world of all things, rad, you got these hooligans right there doing exhaust work.
Go back. This way, then go back up. Yep. Now go back up. This way. Yep. Just a little bit, and then now you can go out easy.
Aaron, how are you ready taking off this rubber gasket? A rubber grommet, I mean.
Piss. Oh my god.
Shout out to Aaron's belly out here getting big boy season, you know what I mean?
One of the bodies would be easier. Yeah.
Hey man, you gotta lube it.
That's why I was holding it.
Inadvertently.
Lube it. You know, 'cause
Oh, you can drop it.
it was some lube.
Sorry.
So take out the one from the body to make it easier to deliver.
No, my phone fell out.
I'll hold it like
R.I.P.
this.
Alright, so I gotta go in now.
Can we admire this man's kicks? He's putting in the hours right now.
You leave the Dollar Jet.
The Dodger. You know what I mean? Got the Harlequin shoes on because I don't have one.
Nah, the good old Saver Specials.
Yes, sir. Shout out to my boys at Savers.
Oh, that'd be get body.
We're working on this DX, you know what I mean?
It's easier to take off the
Civic.
top. Yeah, and then we'll just take it off the exhaust when it's off.
Fish eye? Well, there you go. Say hi, Dad. Hello. Hello, everybody. That's his wagon in the back. We'll be getting going this next week. Hopefully, after this shit box gets done. All right, come on in here, boys. Good. You're good, man. Block behind you. You got a Toyota in the Honda Ford garage. It's almost sacrilegious. Yeah, you're gonna hit it. Just you know,
it's the
it gives it more JDM power.
Gives it character.
Character. No, it's JDM power, boy. Oh, it's fucking single cam.
Ah, well, that's a waste.
Oh, another Toyota problem.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, God. Oh, man.
I don't think it even goes there. You probably put it here.
Oh, it goes right there.
I got you.
I need to get the ones that are like the shock ones. Go right here.
Yeah,
We
all need those.
call those ones stretch.
Strut bar?
Okay, yeah. No, not strut bars. That's a strut bar.
There ain't no
No.
strut bar.
No, the ones that go like this. They go like they mount here and they're like go sweet like that one.
Those are
I
lazy
don't know.
boys.
I'm trying to line this up.
Aaron is the peak lazy boy.
Did you guys get the wires?
Yeah, he's got the wire. Look at it. Okay. Where's the light? All right. Break it out. Where's my nice light? We're going to show everybody the difference.
EP wire.
Okay.
This is a chunker right here. See the difference?
Look at that.
Really small TP
To get you by A to B, okay,
Kobe.
that one's to keep you going. Make sure you know the difference, people.
Yes.
Because, look at that.
The turn the frog's gay.
Bro,
That frog's gay.
it's a straight up electrical wire for like 120 volt.
Hold on.
Legit did not know that these came out the end
With it, we gotta.
Dude, man,
to hang on to your car. I literally was just hanging on the stupid ass hooks, didn't work, and I barely make it go. But apparently, my man's over here knows how to work a light.
I use
Ladies,
it in a diorama.
ladies, he knows how to work a 3-foot pole.
3-foot pole.
Gone. Tag the Instagram. Ladies, hit him up.
No Instagram.
I got you. Put it here. It's FA5_Aaron.
Yeah, legit.
You done sold me out.